Hello my fly babies, hello my patrons, it's me FlyLady Kat, and today we are talking about Patreon in review. So last week, the week of the 15th through the 19th, Monday through Friday, on the Patreon channel, the videos are entitled Not Feeling Well, how to do that, how to work in your home when you're not feeling well, Clearing Space, Organized Clutter, Attitude, I got a lot of comments on that one, and Do It. So for those of you fly babies who are considering going over there and watching these videos, try to put it in your budget, $5 a month. $5 a month for something really worthwhile, okay? If you are a patron, pop on over. I know that you get to pick and choose what you want to watch. Sometimes you'll be shocked what you think doesn't apply does. Okay, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful, so be beautiful.